We're live right now. Okay, S&P 500, what is happening? Are we still gapping? Seems like we still are. Wow, that is incredible. That is incredible. I'm going to check my stocks. I'm shorting the S&P and it's going pretty bad. It's going pretty bad right now, honestly. Wow. Gap up, gap up. Oh my god. Look at that. That is insane. We've never seen a move like this. I think this might just be a historic move. This fast of a move. We've never seen a move like this in the S&P 500. Gonna check the live stream, see if it's if everything is working properly. Just give me 1 second. All right, 16 people in the live stream. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Juan says, "What do you think about mRNA?" I don't know. I'll have to check into that. Yo, Corey, how you doing? Welcome. Harsha. Yo, Anna. Welcome to the live stream. So today the markets are gapping up 4%, and this happened after we gapped up last week. So it's kind of insane if you think about it. See if the live stream is working properly. Hey Aiden, what's up Oxlade? Welcome to the stream. I'm gonna be sharing the link once more. Last chance. Wow. Live right now. Okay, so that should be enough, right? That should be enough. Guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for me going live right now. I'm feeling a little bit sad right now. My grandmother passed away. She had Alzheimer's for like 4 years. So I am not as sad as I would have been if she didn't have Alzheimer's. I already knew things were going pretty bad. But it's still a very sad event for me. So I'm not going to be as positive as usual, most likely. So please, I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, so checking the comments. Mikeya Morrison, welcome to the live stream. Sorry to hear about your grandmother. Yeah, it was pretty messed up. We're just going to skip this subject as a whole. Welcome, Martin. Welcome, Peregrimus. We're still bullish on the S&P. This is crazy. This move, this was about, if we take this into account, right? Hold on. Oh my god, this is insane. In about, wait, am I looking at the right chart? I think I'm not. Wait, I'm gonna have to scroll out just a little bit. We went down just like that. I think it's not showing the chart properly. This makes no sense. Is this chart false? Hold on, let me go to the S&P. Yeah, this chart doesn't make sense. You saw, okay, what the hell? That made no sense at all. I don't know if you guys saw that, but we had a bottom at 3,200 on the S&P. We can't see it right there. It just does not show us that. So this is false. This is not correct. This chart, we shouldn't be looking at this chart. The thing with this chart is that it's the futures, right? It shows us what's happening right now, but it's false. We bottomed at 3,200. So we went down all the way down, just like that. And then we went up all the way up. This is literally what happened. I can show you. I mean, I can show you right here. You see that? We had that bottom right there. We said we would most likely bounce, and it did bounce. But yeah, there's some really weird thing happening on the other chart. but we're still going to look at the other chart because it's live. As we can see, this is crazy. We bounced about, this is more than $400 in how many days? More than $400 in about 2 weeks. That's crazy. That makes no sense. Even if there's a vaccine, it's not out right now. It's going to be out next year. So for us to go up $400 is more than that. It's $440. How much percent is that? That's like 13%. The annual return of the S&P 500 is about 8 to 10%. So we basically had the annual return plus 3% in 2 weeks. That is crazy. That is absolutely bullocks. I think it's less than 2 weeks, actually. It's way less than 2 weeks. 1.5 weeks, something like that. It makes no sense at all. I'm going to show you on the other chart with the S&P. So when did we bottom? Hold on. So it was the 2nd of November that we bottomed. Today is the 9th. In 1 week time, we went up 13% on the S&P 500. What the hell is going on? Like literally, what is it? I can't show you right now because this chart is not updating live. We don't have a live chart for this properly, so I'll just draw where we are right now. We're sitting at 3,660, right around there. Look how parabolic that is. This whole move we had in 1 week. 1 week. That is crazy. We had not had such a move ever. This has never happened in 1 week. We can see that. We can go to March. We can go all the way to March. This is March. Let me zoom out. It's lagging a little bit. I don't know why. I'm getting a new laptop soon. So we had not had a $400 move like that since March. I would say that even then we didn't have a $400 move. So this is 1 week. So that was about 2,460 to about 2,800, but that was 10 days. We did it faster than in March. So basically we had a bullish move that was not happening at the bottom. This move is happening at very high price levels. It is the fastest move we had. It was the highest move we had in the shortest time period. I think we're going to see a heavy correction. Either this is the top or we're going to see a correction. That's my opinion. So we're going to correct heavily, or this is the top and this is the market crash. Just those two things. If this keeps going upwards, I don't know. I cannot even tell you what's happening. I'm confused, right? Why is this going up? It makes no sense. It literally makes no sense. Not a single bit of sense. Like, markets can stay irrational for a very long period of time. So at that point, I'm just like, I don't know what's happening here. Because if you go to the 4 hours, the 4 hours, I think the 4 hours were signaling that we're going to go down. But I'm going to have to zoom in on it. Like, so annoying. I really hate this program. I would never pay for this program. There we go. The 4 hours telling us, hey guys, we're going to go down on the MACD. Yet we're still going up like 4% in 1 day because of the vaccine news. Joe Biden just became president, or at least he got elected. And usually that would be, hey, we got a Democrat. He's going to spend a lot of money that will not be going to the businesses. Wow. Maybe we should take some profits, which usually happens when a Democrat becomes president, which is not happening right now. So I'm thinking this is going to see a big correction coming up, just like we saw on the, we see that on the 4 hours right now. See if the live stream is up. Okay, cool. Okay, I need to grab the brush. So we're going to see a correction. I think it's going to be a swift correction to the downside. Very similar to, I think, this move right here. How many points was this? $100 point move to the downside to about $200. So this could be topping at around approximately, I think this could top around 3,675, somewhere right there, and we go down rapidly to the downside all the way to this wedge pattern, which is 3,515. And then at the wedge pattern, we bounce. I think that is going to happen. Funny thing is, when I drew this wedge pattern, I'm subscribed to this other channel. It's called Game of Trades. Definitely check him out. He's amazing. I watched this video the same day that I drew this wedge pattern, and he said the same thing. He said, hey, we're going to come down, hit this wedge pattern, and bounce. I agree with him. I think we're going to come down, hit this wedge pattern, bounce heavily, and then we'll run to 3,800, 3,000. See, I'm not opposed against the S&P going up. I'm opposed against the S&P going up 20% in 1.5 weeks. That makes no sense. Not at all. Like, not a single bit of sense. The technicals are saying this is not going to happen. And I believe the technicals. So, yeah. So, a very big channel on YouTube called Game of Trades, he said the same thing. He said, okay, we're going to come down to this wedge pattern and then bounce. So, that's all I wanted to say about that guy. You should definitely check out his channel. He's amazing. Really good predictions. Bounce off and then gradually also go to probably 4,000 and then come back down. Have our little bit of a recession, and that could very well trigger the recession, right? Like that, and we go downwards. So yeah, but it's nice, everybody that's holding stocks. I've been recommending Tesla, I've been recommending AMD, Workhorse is going up huge, Palantir is going up huge. Every single stock that we recommended went up massively. I recommended all those stocks back when the market corrected. I said, hey guys, we're at 3,250. This is the bottom. Technicals are indicating a bottom on the RSI, on the MACD. You should be loading up on Tesla, AMD, Workhorse, NIO, etc. And the people that did, my hat goes off to you, because you made a lot of money. That is amazing. It went up 13% until now. And that also means at least 13% for the stocks that we recommended, especially Palantir, which went up 50%. Tesla went up about 15%, right? Not 50. NIO went up massively. All the stocks that we recommended are up huge. Okay, so how much time do I have left? About 23 minutes, right? I'm going to have to briefly send a link. Yeah, Tesla's going down because the Nasdaq is going down. I'm going to explain that one in 1 second. Watch me live. That's what I do. All right, so the reason Tesla's going down, right now, sitting at 438, right? It is because what does it mean? What does it mean for us if a vaccine is out there? Well, that means people could maybe start going outside again very soon because, hey, there's going to be vaccine anyways, so no worries. That will mean that this is especially going to be negative for Amazon, by the way, but also tech companies, because tech companies now rely on the fact that people are sitting at home using these devices and the laptop that I'm recording this on and buying their products. Well, if people are going outside, if they're not on their phones anymore, and they're with their friends, with their family, going to church, going to the swimming pool, going to the library, they're going to be less on their phone, less on their laptop, and more outside, which means profits are going to go down, earnings are going to go down. That's why the Nasdaq is not going up that much, and that's why Tesla is not going up that much. That's why all the tech companies are not going up as much as the companies that are going to be reliant on people being there in real life. Let's go to the Nasdaq. QQQ futures. I think it should be showing us what's happening right now, hopefully. It's not. I don't think it's showing us. Yeah, it's up like 0.5%. I think that's right. Let me check my phone. So the Nasdaq is not up much, but the S&P, yeah, the Nasdaq is up like 0.5%. QQQ, it's tracking the Nasdaq. The reason it's doing this, it is because, obviously, like what we mentioned, people are going to go outside, they're going to use technology less. In lockdown, people use technology more. So what's being priced in is a future without COVID. Because if there's a vaccine and if they're producing billions of them, there should be a cure. right? To the lockdowns, to infections, to the death rate. It's all going to come down. So this could very well be the last winter with COVID. And what is that going to mean for Zoom? That is going to be very interesting. Oh boy, I think it's going to look hella bloody. Look at the Dow is up like 5.7%. Zoom stock market watch. Oh boy, Zoom must be down, right? If it's not down, then I don't know what's happening. Yeah, there we go. So Zoom is down 14.4%. 14.4. So I didn't even look at the price. I was like, oh, so what are the stocks that are going to go down with COVID? Zoom is going to go down with COVID, right? With COVID going away. So Zoom is like correcting now. Zoom is about to go down to 300, maybe even 200. So that might be a shorting opportunity. So many stocks that were reliant on COVID, I can give you some other examples. Pfizer, maybe Pfizer. I think this was the ticker. There we go. Pfizer is going down 6.8%. I can get you, I think Fastly. Fastly could potentially be. Fastly is going down 3%. What stock is a COVID stock? So all the COVID stocks are going down rapidly. I think Snap, possibly. Snap is going 4% down. But CCL, which is Carnival stock, I think it's going up, right? It's going up 31%, which makes a lot of sense. Because it's during COVID, it was terrible, right? I think Boeing, BA, I think this is Boeing, right? Boeing Airlines, Boeing. So it's up 13%. All the COVID stocks are going down. All the stocks that were impacted by COVID and like pretty much destroyed are going up now. So the people that are holding these stocks, like Boeing, like the airlines, they're gonna go up huge. I hope I can search KLM. It's a Dutch one. No, I can't. Oh, that's so unfortunate. I think they're going up huge as well if their stock is up there. So what I'm trying to say is there's 17 minutes left. That's what I'm trying to... Okay, so 17 minutes left. So what I'm trying to say is this is very logical. The stock market is doing some logical things. Stocks that were really good during COVID are going to be doing really bad. Really, really bad now because COVID is going to be gone. Stocks that were doing bad during COVID are going to be doing really good, right? So there's just going to be a lot of capital allocation towards the stocks that are going to be performing good without COVID. And I think there was another example, American Airlines. Is it AA or AL? I think it was AL, right? Okay, Air Lease Corp, right. So that's also going up 14% in the pre-market. I saw Workhorse go up as well. Workhorse 3.4%. Well, it went up like 10% first, and then it came back down. It was really weird. We said it would go up massively the coming weeks. But there's a shift happening in stocks right now. And I want to just mention that if anything, what is happening right now is a correction of stocks that were overvalued because of COVID. So Amazon, oh my God, Amazon, oh my God, I hope it doesn't go down huge. And it's going down 3%. So it makes sense. Apple, I think Apple should be fine, right? Apple should be fine. Apple's doing good. Yeah, Apple's doing fine, up 1%. We also predicted it would go to $120, but anyway. So Tesla, what is Tesla doing? I can't see the actual numbers on the trading view because it doesn't update it rapidly like the market watch. So Tesla's going up 2%. Tesla should be fine. NIO, what is NIO doing? NIO going down. That was predictable. American Airlines. I think it was AAL, right? Yeah, oh my God. American Airlines going up 25%. That's so predictable. I mean, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. I mean, the news was obvious. It should be going up, right? So, yeah, I think that was pretty much it. But what I want to just look at the S&P 500. I think it's not updating here. Why can I not just get the information? But I want to repeat once again, going back to the S&P. This is very important for all of your stocks because if the S&P goes down, then This is so insane. This is not making any sense. So look at this parabolic move, and this is not all of it because let me check. Oh, never mind. The chart has updated. Great, fantastic. Let me delete this. So we were bottoming at 3,230 around there, and then all the way up to where we are right now. This move, we have not seen a single move like this in this whole year, and possibly in the history of the S&P 500. This move right there. This could very well be the biggest dollar amount increase in the S&P 500 in the shortest time period ever. I'm telling you, ever. So what happens when we see such a move, right? It's an overextending move to the upside. Usually what happens is, we saw it right there. We saw a correction. We saw a correction. We saw a correction here. Correction there. Correction here. Correction there. So I think we're going to see a heavy correction. Even right there, we saw a correction. Even at the March bottom, we saw a correction there. So moves like these, they do not last. They, generally speaking, are fueled by euphoria and by news, but not by fundamentals. Not by anything that could back it up on the long term. So I think this is going to move bearish to the downside. The news was COVID is going to be gone. So now they're pricing in that COVID will not be here. It will not exist. But that is delusional because there is still COVID. COVID is still around. People are still dying from COVID. The vaccine is not here right now. It's going to be here next year. It's going to be here next year. We're still in lockdowns in most of Europe. America might go into the lockdown because of, Biden is going to say, hey guys, we're going to go into a lockdown because I'm going to kill COVID. This is not making any sense. This is just euphoria driven. People that would have not invested into the stock market are now coming back in because of FOMO and because of the fact that, oh, COVID is gone. Well, that's going to take a couple months, fella. So what I'm thinking is we can see that we are overbought on the RSI. That usually indicates that we're going to correct. I wish I had some water with me right now. I'm really thirsty. So look at the MACD. You tell me, does this look like we're going to be going upwards, or does this look like we're about to top out and come down? MACD, overextended. We cannot find a single period of time, aside from in the March crash, where we had several corrections of $100 to $200 to $300 points. And I think it's going to happen again. I think we're going to see similar moves to the downside, $100 to $200 to maybe $300. Depends on what Joe Biden is going to do when he's elected. It's going to depend on the contested election because Trump, remember, Trump is going to contest, right? It's going to be a contested election, and we don't know what's going to happen. There's a lot of uncertainty still out there. This vaccine is not going to cure that. The vaccine is only going to cure the people maybe 6 months from now, maybe a year from now. They still have to produce the vaccines. They still have to distribute them. The people have to be able to buy them or get them from their healthcare. That is going to take at least a year. So we're pricing in something that's going to happen in a year, in a week time. Highest move we had in years. I don't think we've had a higher move like this in a shorter time period than what we have right here. Was about $440 in a week. This is not going to last. If I were you guys, I would start taking profits like mad. I would take lots of profits, unless you're holding the COVID stocks like the airlines. I think it was Carnival Cruise, like the cruise lines. You'll be fine. But any other stock, I would take profits like mad. I did that. I literally took profits. It's going to be going to my bank account soon. I'm just going to stay at the sidelines because this does not look good. This looks very euphoric. It looks like a bubble, honestly. So, where is this going to correct to? Where are we going to go next? That is the question. So, I want to look at the 1 day. Hold on. I want to look at the 1 day because usually on the 1 day you can properly see where we are going to be heading next. I I'm just gonna have to zoom in a bit so you can see the MACD. All right, there we go. That should be good enough, right? So you can see that the MACD has been overextended. It jumped massively, right? And it's about to top out the same way that we topped out right there. I think we're going to top out again. We're not going to see this extended move that we had in March. You can see that the MACD was going up huge, right? So we're going to top out very soon, possibly around the 3,670 to 80, maybe even 3,700. We would briefly touch it and then head back down. I'm going to draw it right now so you can see what's actually happening. So RSI, same story. We're going to keep going upwards to the 3,700, and then we're going to come down just like that. So this move could be $100 to $200 to $300 to the downside. So I would see ourselves going to the $3,500 again. So, but that's my opinion. Wait, hold on. I'll have to zoom in properly. There we go. Right, now we can draw this nicely. So what I would see happening, we would keep going on to the 3,700, and we would gradually come down just like that. There's a support line at the 3,544, but I think we would breach it as well, and then we'll come back down to around approximately 3,480 to 90 to around $3,500, and then we gradually bounce back. Now, we said before that there's a wedge pattern right here, just like that. There's a I can't draw this with the drawing tool, but there is a wedge pattern, and right there we would be bouncing. And then we'll bounce probably all the way back up to $4,000 until the end of the year with like corrections. So, but yeah, we're not going to talk about that right now. We're talking about the near-term future, which is the coming weeks. I would say we're going to see a massive correction, something like that. You know, we go down about $200. The markets are still bullish right now, but I think this is not going to last. The reason I'm saying it's not going to last is because of how swift, how fast this move was, and how big the move was. $440 in 1 week time. So 5 trading days, I believe. I think it was 5 trading days. The 2nd of November until the 9th of November. 5 trading days, guys. In 5 trading days, we went up 13%. So that's about 2.5% each day, 5 days in a row. That is not healthy. The annual return for the S&P 500 is 8 to 10%. We just did that in 1 week time. I'm just saying, that's not a healthy move. Usually we see big corrections, like right there. I'm literally going to point out every single correction that we saw that looked similar. Correction right here. Correction right there. Correction right here. Until you get the point. So, this is annoying. I really, really, really hate, and this app just sucks so much. Look, what is it doing? God dang it. You know, let's just leave it there as a trophy. We had a correction right there. We had a correction there and there and there and there. So you get it. We see a huge move, then we correct massively. So I would take profits. I wouldn't be holding the bag. It would be a very bad idea. There are about 5 minutes left until the market opens. I'm gonna have to share this link. Tesla to 450. I don't know. Watch me live. All right, guys. I want you to drop stock requests. Which stocks do you want me to analyze? Drop the stock request in the comments. Your favorite stock. What is your favorite stock? I'll review your favorite stock if you drop it in the comments right now. We're going to take a look at Tesla right now. Pre-market at 440. Fantastic. That is great. I'm looking at the live chat right now. So we see AMD, XPeng, PFE, Palantir, Pfizer, Apple, AMD once again, Amazon, Alibaba. Great. I like that, guys. Keep it on coming. Tesla's still sitting at the 440. I want to look at Tesla on the market watch, because here we can see right away what's happening. Still sitting at 440. That's wonderful. Look at American Airlines going up 25%. Oh my god. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. Okay, so I think I'm very, very positive on Tesla. You know that about me. I think Tesla's going to go to $500 to about $600 very soon. I've been saying this ever since Tesla gapped down to the $380, and even before that, I said, "Hey guys, we're going to keep rallying. It's not going to stop. We're going to see brief corrections. I mean, but we're still going to go. We're going to go up huge." Okay, that's a lot of stocks. That's great. That's great. I'm having a tough time. Hey, TJ, could you stop? Gara, before market opens, can you please give us some thoughts on Workhorse Q3 earnings that were just released? Okay. Workhorse Q3 earnings. Yeah, I can't keep up with every single stock at the same time. Pre-market 17.55. I'm going to briefly look at the Workhorse earnings, and we're going to head back to Tesla. Oh, the PE ratio for the S&P 500 is sky high, by the way. So, earnings Q3 results. I'm gonna check the results real fast. I'm very bullish on Workhorse, by the way. So if their fundamentals are great, then they should be fine. Third quarter press release. Come on, just give us the document, right? What was their earnings like? I wonder. Workers Group says third quarter, accept cookies, yeah, whatever. Okay. What is this? Is this gonna like redirect me to the site? There we go again. Yeah, let me just go back. I'll just see. So Workhorse is just doing fine. They're not going down or anything. They should be fine. Earnings were not that bad. If earnings was bad, then Workhorse would have gone down significantly. So it didn't happen, right? If it would have happened, then I'll check it soon. I'll check the Workhorse earnings soon. For now, I'm going to be checking Tesla. Wow. Palantir. What is Palantir doing? Oh my god. Palantir is gapping up. Wait, let me check. I hope it can load for us though. Oh, it's up 7%. That's fine. That's great. It was up like 11% at some point. It was pretty crazy. All right, so I would say for Tesla, we're still going bullish on the MACD. Oh wait, that's the RSI. You can see the MACD. We still have not seen any kind of bullishness on MACD, but it's about to happen. And because it's about to happen, we're about to see a huge surge in price. It's going to go up significantly. I'm talking like similar to this move right there. It's going to be like $100 at least, I would say. Maybe even more than that. I'll check your stocks very soon. I'm going to be checking Tesla for the market open. So that's why 1 more minute left. Oh, hold on. 1 minute until market open live. Okay, so I'm going to look at the 1 minute. Does this show me everything properly? Yeah. 5 minutes would be better. Wow, that's really scattered. Okay, we're still at 440. Market open in about a couple seconds. Here we go. Is this going to be a sell-off? That's the question. Will we sell off at open like all the other days when we gapped up in the pre-market? Oh boy. Here we go. Any minutes? Checking my watch. Yeah, it's open. Okay, 440. We started 440. Great, fantastic. I'm holding some Tesla right now. I hope we don't gap down. Okay, cool. That's great. So far so good. Let me check other opens right now real quick. Bearishness coming in. Lots of volume. There's a lot of volume, guys. Oh, there we go. Is this another market open sell-off? 439. Look at that volume. Oh my god. Look at that volume. Holy moly. That's insane. Like, we haven't seen that much volume in a couple days now. Okay, never mind. We've seen it quite often. It's just, it's a 5 minute, right? So we're at 438.5. Like we said, correction to the downside. We said this in the video, so it's not surprising. We saw this coming. 438. 437 possibly. Yeah, 437. I think we're going to bounce at 435. So let's see what happens, right? We said in our previous video that we would go down to 435 and then bounce. 435, 437, right around there. Because of the RSI being overextended, you can see it right here as well. It's a bit overextended. Just like that. And yeah, 437.9. Gonna have to show the MACD as well. There we go, that's the MACD. We're still at 438 right now. Looking fine. We're not going down significantly, so we're fine. Okay. My internet is acting really weird. I hope I can still see the live chat. Wow, trading 212 is crashing. Yeah, trading 212 is crashing. My trading 212. Well, I cannot believe it. We should really sue them. Trading 212 crashing right now. This is unbelievable. Guys, you can if anyone has any if anyone can lawyer up, you can sue them for this. You can literally sue them for this. This is not the first time happening on Trading 212, the platform. I'm going to stop using it. This is not okay. This is the second time that it's disconnecting. Second time in a week. Last week we had the same problem. Okay, 438.3. Can't believe it. Cannot believe it. I'm going to be... I'm gonna text them. Oh, 437.4. Huge. So we're seeing huge sell-offs, and the trading platform is not working. That's not good. That means that you could have sold. You could have sold at 439, but now look at that. Look at that sell-off. Oh my god. 436. We're coming back down to 435. Like we said we would. S&P 500 coming down we're hitting 434.8, 434. Oh boy, 432. This is the correction. There we go. Oh my god, this keeps going. Look at that. Look at that red candle. Jesus. This is going to come back up soon though. Somebody's ringing at the door, but I'm not going to open because we're live. 432. Oh my god, this is a bloodbath. I thought it would go to 435 because the markets were so bullish. But now the market is coming down, so this is a buying opportunity, right? So this is a nice buying opportunity to get in. Very nice buying opportunity, guys. Oh, are we going to go up now? 432. Loan sharks. Nah. It's my little brother. He could go to the backyard and come in, but just being an annoying brat. I told him I was going to live stream, but he didn't listen. Just enjoy the ringing. I'm going to mute it in some way. But we're starting to go up. 433 coming in. Wow, this is crazy. Trading 2 and 2 down. It's wow. 1 second. I'm gonna tell him I'm not gonna open the door. Okay, I'm back. We're seeing a push higher to the 435s. This should be the bottom. This should be the intermediary bottom. Oh boy. Yeah, I literally went to the window and I just yelled at him like, yo dude, I told you I was going to live stream. I'm not going to open the door. Go to the backyard. Like, you could just walk around, go to the backyard and come inside. We're seeing a huge push up now to the 436. I think, could this be the market's going up now, or hold on. Yeah, markets are starting to move up again, so this could be the reason. Market going up a little bit, so we should be fine. I think we just saw the most of the bearishness. 437. Lots of volatility right now. Look at that bearish candle. Wow, institutions are selling like mad. I'm going to check NEO. What is NEO doing? I think NEO is going down as well, right? Is it a bloodbath? Okay, it's sitting at 4. Okay, so it's going sideways so far, like we said. Just move this right here. Like, hold on. It's pretty much going to be going sideways for now. So, wrong. Jeez. There we go. This is what we want. And nice. We're still sitting at 436. Nothing happening so far. Workhorse going down. Oh, we're getting closer and closer to 6,000 subscribers. Damn, that's insane. For anyone that doesn't know who I am, my name is Gara. I'm Lucid Trading, and I try to give you the best analysis for your favorite stocks. And I do this with technical analysis and some of that fundamental analysis, right? So we're talking about Tesla stock, NEO stock, well, Tesla stock right here, Apple and Amazon and AMD, etc. Tell me what your favorite stocks are down below in the live chat, so I know in the future which stocks I should review for the videos and for the live streams. So let me know. And on top of that, guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. We're getting so close to that 6,000 subscriber mark. It would make my day if we could reach that today. We got about, I think it's 100 or 200 subscribers left to reach for today. We got a lot of time, so we're going to do that today. Make sure you do that. You can smash that subscribe button. We got 200 people in the live stream right now. So if we all just press that subscribe button like you've never pressed it before, then we can get 200 subscribers and we'll be at 6,000 subscribers. That would be so cool. So make sure you do that. Also, check out my social media. I will give a shout out to every single person that follows me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. The links are down below. The links are down below in the description. On top of that, if you want to support my channel, there is a Patreon, so you can donate there for many benefits. And there's also a Discord. You can see the Discord right here. Many people in the Discord right now, so make sure you join that as well. All the links are in the description. We're live. We are live. I hope people join the live. All right, so see the live chat right now on my phone. What is happening to Palantir? Oh boy. Palantir going up again? Oh, no freaking way. Palantir to the moon indeed. Palantir to the moon. Insane. Wow. Oh boy. Looks like Tesla's gapping up again. I'm gonna have to check if my phone has enough charge for the shoutouts. Okay, cool. We're still at 434 for Tesla. I think Tesla's about to go up significantly. Like, I think we're gonna go to the 440, 450 next. CCL is up 60%. Yeah, that is indeed to the moon. Apple. Okay, so I'm going to briefly take a look at Palantir. Wow. It's still going up. That is huge. $15.5. Yeah, I said we would correct if the markets would go bearish, so, but we still said we still said we would see a huge upside move right down there. This was the bearish case, but now we got the COVID vaccine going on, so should be pretty bullish now. I want to check NEO. I'll check NEO from time to time because there could be some really interesting stuff happening with NEO. So far going sideways. Now Tesla. Still going sideways as well. Tesla is not necessarily reacting super positive to the vaccine. It's just the market in general is. And yeah, we're about to go bearish on the 30 minutes. About to go positive on the 1 hour. So about to go bearish on the 4 hours. About to go bullish on the daily. Okay, so Tesla's about to see a little bit of bearishness, and then after the bearishness go positive. So it would look pretty much a little bit like that, and then bounce. Well, not like that, but more like this. Something like that, right? Should be pretty bullish. For the day, it should be pretty bullish. But for tomorrow and after tomorrow, it could get a little negative. Because we saw that the 4 hours, on the 4 hours, we can clearly see that this is about to go down, right? The bearish or the bullish cycle is not going to last. It is most likely going to go down. So that is going to cause a little bit of bearishness. I've actually explained this in the video. We go all the way to 460 and then we come back down and then we go up again. Something like that. However, let's go to the 30 minutes. Keep following what is happening. Wait, hold on. 5 minutes. Put this on full screen. I'm checking my own stocks as well, so that would be the reason. Oh wow, my trading app is literally crashing. It's so useless. It's like, oh, I'm going to use it for trading, and it crashes. 441. There we go. Pushing up higher. Cool. I like that. I like it pushing up higher. We should keep on pushing up higher. Very nice. Okay. All right, so still pushing up higher, 441.8. Yeah, I think Trading 212 has they're working on fixing the problem. Yeah, I saw a bullish movement coming on the 5 minutes as well, so this could push even to the 450s. This could push to $450, guys, $455 even. So if this bearishness does not continue, if we cross, this could go all the way to 450. So let's delete this. Very near term, we're gonna possibly see 450. Very, very positive. Oh, guys! Oh my gosh! I want to let you know, I'm going to get a new laptop. I'm in the live chat right now, guys. I'm going to get a new laptop. I don't know much about like good laptops, so if you could recommend me a good laptop, because right now I'm using a laptop that's broken. I'm using a keyboard, because my keyboard is broken, and many other things about it are broken. It's a 4-year-old laptop. If you could recommend me like a great laptop for streaming and video creation and everything, basically, aside from playing games. I don't play that many games. I mean, I play the stock market, but not many games. So if you could recommend me a good laptop, that would be amazing. I know some people here are programmers and know something about computers. I used to be like a programmer myself, but I never knew much about CPUs and GPUs. Yeah, I'm like looking for a laptop, not a PC. I might get a PC in the future, but for now it's going to be a laptop. Looks like Tesla keeps on pushing higher, guys. Oh boy, we're about to see some resistance at this. I think it's the wedge pattern, right? Yeah, 445.5, 445.7, still going up. I'm going to check my stocks 1 second. There we go, 447. We said we would go to the 450s, right? 447. We keep going up now. I'm going to check the live chat. I want to check your recommendations for a laptop. Asus, ZenBook, Lenovo. Yeah, I like Lenovo as well. Let's see if we can hit the 450. The reason I'm going to buy a laptop is because I'm going to go travel next year, and I want to have a good laptop to bring with me when I'm traveling, so I can record the videos when I'm traveling. I'm going to be going backpacking through Europe. I would probably go to Germany, France, Poland, Italy, etc. And I'll take my laptop and I record at the place where I am, and then I upload the videos, etc. That's the idea. I mean, that's the wonderful thing about YouTube. You can just go to any place you want to and just do your work, record the videos, analyze, research, etc., upload, and you're done. You don't have to be at an office like many other jobs that are there. 449. Oh my god. We are skyrocketing. Whoa. Dang it. This is crazy, guys. We're at 448.9. This is crazy. Going up massively. Dang it. Wait, did Palantir just come back down? What? That's not No way. I just checked my app. I think Palantir just came down like huge. That's not possible. I'm going to keep watching Tesla for now, but it looks like Palantir is down about $1 or something. So it went from it went to 15.4, and now it's at like 14.6 or something. That's crazy. It's like 6 to 7% downwards momentum. Trading 212 is still crashing. Coming down to 447. I don't think we're going to go bearish that much, though. I think we're still bullish. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, right? Although the MACD does look a little bit overextended, we could still see some more bullish movements. Yeah, usually like after a move like this, we do see a correction. So this could be a prolonged bearish correction, like we saw right there, right there, right there. Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna see a correction, like a big correction. This could take about potentially, I would say, a couple hours. So we're gonna see a correction now. I thought it would be bullish, but never mind. You have to take a look at the history, like what are the historical patterns. So, but I could be wrong. It could skyrocket still, but I think it's more likely it's gonna correct. Oh, still going up. Oh boy, we're hitting the 450. 450 has been reached. No freaking way. 450. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, I said that I would give a shout out to the people that followed me on Instagram. Link in the description. I got a follow from Ana Gonzalez. Thank you so much for following me. That's awesome. And someone else. If I could just view it. Our way 13. Thanks for following, guys. We're still up 450, and we go down. It's a big resistance, so that could be the reason. I think we're still going to be correcting. Check the Dell XPS. Yeah, lots of people keep telling me that. XPS is really good. Yeah, Palantir is having a little bit of a correction, so it's quite normal. We went up really, really heavily, so we should be correcting now. What's the S&P 500 doing? Well, the S&P is correcting now. I said this before. I think the S&P is going to correct about $100 to $200 now. So what is a strong buy right now? I would not buy anything. The market is overpriced. I would not buy anything right now. Honestly, why would you? I think if you could buy some Tesla, but it's not a strong buy, right? I think Tesla could go up to $550 to $600. So Tesla's looking great, but I think right now you could wait a little bit and you'll get Tesla a little bit cheaper. So yeah, we see usually when we see these extended moves to the upside, we see corrections, just like that, corrections. And then we'll see a correction, possibly to the 440. We saw this right here. We saw this right here. It's quite common. I would say don't buy Amazon, because Amazon was performing well because of COVID being around. But COVID is gone. It's going to be gone soon. There's a vaccine. Next year there will be no COVID. Everybody will be vaccinated. Pretty much. But what is Pfizer doing? I think Pfizer must be skyrocketing right now, honestly. Let's just check Pfizer. It's the company that made the vaccine, or is going to be making the vaccine. It should be like skyrocketing. What the hell? Oh yeah, there we go. It went from 36 to 42. Wow, that's a lot. I mean, it's still up 8%, but look at that. It went up to $42. And then the shareholders were like, you know what? I'm going to dump all my shares right now, which they did. It went up about 10, I think like 15%. So Pfizer's doing pretty good. But a lot of the COVID vaccine anticipation was already priced in with Pfizer. So S&P is coming down now. I'm shorting the S&P, and I shorted at like 3,550. So I'm waiting for it to come down. But it's still at 3,600. I'm watching the S&P right now. Yeah, this could keep going. This could keep going. This could definitely keep going. If this would ever load, I would be very thankful. It's still loading so far. Somebody said that there's no sound. What? What do you mean there's no sound? There's sound. Okay, 30 minutes. Ooh, looking bullish on the 30 minutes. What the hell? Well, we could have a prolonged negative period though, right? Could we? Wait, are we about to see another bullish? No freaking way. Wait, this makes no sense. What is happening? What the frick? Are we gonna see another bullish move? But that would make no sense. Oh wait, that would make sense, yeah. We could see another bullish move coming up, taking us back to 3,650. Right around there, and then we'll come back down. The 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour suggests we're still going bearish, but the 30 minutes suggests that we'll go up briefly. So, what's the 4 hour suggesting? 4 hours suggesting that we're about to come down. We're about to come down. Right? This was bearish. This was bullish. We could still go all the way up to 3,700. Right. I would say the 4 hours is about to be bearish. The daily is still looking pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. Yeah, we could go to 3,700, 3,800. So yeah, looking pretty bullish right now. I mean, this time frame is like This, how much was that? Like what? $100. This could take us to 3,700 to approximately 3,800 by the end of November. And then we'll see a downturn as well. Obviously, it's not going to be just positive. Let's see. Short downturn, short upside swing. Yeah, we'll be fine. Is Apple going up? Tesla's still sitting at 447. Tesla Inc. Yeah, we want to look at the 30 minutes, right? Yep. Oh, so it's canceling the bearishness and it's going positive, resulting into sideways movement. Interesting. Okay, see where we'll go. I still think we're going to go down. Possibly to that level and then we bounce. I think I'm going to buy some more Tesla at 440. If it gets there. If it gets there at all, so. Fastly, Netflix. All right, cool. So I'm gonna be looking at other stocks now, at your stocks, your favorite stocks. So make sure you comment down below which stocks you want me to analyze. See, my internet's still doing fine. Okay. So comment down below which stocks do you want me to analyze. I will analyze your stock. How many people are watching right now? I usually try to check this every now and then. Cool. There's about 185 people watching. Awesome. That is awesome. Let's head back to the analysis. Oh, Tesla's going up now. AMD. Lots of people want AMD. Netflix, AMD, Intel, Amazon, Apple. Okay, cool. I got it. Palantir. Cool. All right. First off, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That'll be great. We're trying to hit 6,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button like you've never hit it before. And yeah, I would really appreciate that, guys. And let me check one more thing in the live chat. Okay, this should be fine. Okay, there we go. Grab the drawing tool. What happened? Wow. Yeah, we're going to see an upwards move. Possibly all the way back to 87. I would say, I think we got enough juice to go all the way up to, yeah, 87, 88, 89 for AMD. Short term, right? I'm talking about the short term, and I see correction and possibly go up like that. I'm going to have to look at the 30-minute frame. Yeah, 30 minutes is about to go up. 1 hour about to bottom out. It could be a very positive day for AMD. If the markets keep staying this bullish, yeah, we'll be very positive. Okay, let's just check the live chat. People wanted Apple. I remember that. Apple. Okay, so Apple. Well, we said we would correct massively. That was wrong. The vaccine, guys, we got a vaccine. COVID is cured. What are you talking about going down? We're going to go up to the moon, which is actually what I'm seeing right here. I think Apple is going to go up approximately to 125. So I would be looking at $125 for Apple, because it's about to cross on the MACD as well. So, okay, let's just say 100 to 123, 125. Palantir and Netflix. So Palantir. Okay. Yeah, no, there is no, well, actually, the really funny thing is, guys, we predicted this move. Hold on. We said, I had another video before I became so negative on the market. We said that this would happen. That we would hit the trend line, go up, hit the trend line again, and then go up again. So I'm going to stick with that analysis that we had the other time. I think we're going to go up again to potentially $16 to $17 is the next move. So some sideways movement, and then we're going to go up again for Palantir. Netflix, here we go. Netflix. Oh boy. We said we would correct. I didn't expect it to correct this badly, but that makes sense. Because of the vaccine, we're seeing a massive correction on Netflix. Vaccine means people go outside, go less on laptop. So this is looking like go down and then it goes up again. Something like that. But this could not be the end of it. This could keep going down. So I'll have to be careful with that one. Apparently people were comfortable enough to sell it at 467. So it wouldn't be surprising to gradually hit that level and then come back up. I would say that for Netflix. That's pretty terrible. Okay. 450 is broken on Tesla. Oh, nice. We're hitting the 450 on Tesla, guys. That's really amazing. Man, I should have held my shares, but I had to sell the shares to buy equipment. So sad. Sad life. 451. We're skyrocketing. Tesla is skyrocketing, guys. Oh my gosh. Our prediction was right. Tesla to the moon. 460 coming up. 452. 452 coming up. Guys, I'm going to have to briefly check the messages of my client. He is holding Tesla shares. Give me 1 second. I think it's that one. There we go. Just look at the webcam. Look at my beautiful face for the coming minutes. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna open up the screen again. There we go. Cool. That should be fine. All right, we're at 452 for Tesla, and this should be able to keep going up. This is potentially going to the 460. We see a gap right there. We're probably going to fill that gap. If the markets keep going bullish, Tesla will keep going bullish, and everybody's going to be happy. Happy days. Only one that is not happy is me. I'm the only person today that's not making profits because I'm shorting the S&P 500. Everybody's making profits except me. I'm shorting the S&P with like, what, 3K or something. Let me just check something real quick. Instagram. See somebody, I think somebody followed me. Anyway, 451.5. Oh, dang it, man. Where does this look similar at all at any point? Yeah, it looks similar to these moves that we see right there. This could potentially be Guys, this could potentially be our first bullish move of several, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the $600. So I'm just saying that, just keep that in your mind when you sell it. I'm checking the live chat again, see what's happening there. NEO is pumping up. Wait, what? NEO's not pumping up, is it? Not that much. Alright, I just saw that 180 people are watching this live. Guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Gara, I'm Lucid Trading, and I try to analyze your favorite stocks every single day. I upload videos every single day, I live stream every single day. If you enjoy the live streams, if you enjoy the videos, then please make sure you hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also subscribe to the channel. We're going for 6,000 subscribers. We're almost there, and we need you to smash that subscribe button. That would be awesome. And make sure you check out the social media. We have an Instagram page, a TikTok page, and a Twitter page. The links are down below in the description. I'll be uploading videos there as well. On top of that, guys, make sure you check out the Discord server, community. You can join it by clicking on the link for the Discord. It's in the description as well. And lastly, we have a Patreon account where you can donate if you like this channel so much. And if you want to support the channel, you can do that. You'll get many benefits like early access and consultations and many other things. So check out the Patreon. All the links are going to be down below in the description. Just had to do that. All right, so what's happening right now? I think we're still seeing bullishness. I think this is not the end of it. I think this is potentially the beginning of a rally towards 460 to 455. If the markets remain bullish, right? We're going to have to rely on the markets remaining bullish. But if the market starts correcting, then Tesla's going to start correcting. So, just saying. Yeah, markets are not correcting. Markets are staying high. It's a bit annoying. There's like no buying opportunities. Like literally everything is overvalued. I literally just checked AMD, the data path. So you can check it out. If you just go back in time, into the time machine, then you'll see that I already did AMD. AMD is looking pretty nice. Until the end of November, I would say hold that. I've already done Workhorse. I actually done a video about it, so if you want to check the video out, it's on my channel. Right now we're covering Tesla stock. We're just looking at it live. Also, there's about 2 minutes left until I'm gonna leave because I'm gonna have to make some videos for you guys. I'm gonna record some videos. It's gonna take a lot of time, so after 2 minutes, I'll probably stop the stream. So if you have any requests, any stock requests, send me now in the live chat. Tesla's still going down. In the big picture, it looks like this is like a stepping stone towards 470 and 480 and above. Pfizer, Rocket, Xpeng. Got a minute left. I'm gonna go to Xpeng or Xpeng or Xpeng. I don't know how you pronounce that, but Xpeng. Oh, that looks like pretty bad. That looks pretty bad. That looks pretty bad. That looks really bad. Okay, I would say sell. Honestly, this is not looking really good. This could potentially come back all the way down. This has the potential to come back all the way down. Yeah, it's not looking very positive. It has the potential to do this if the market's going to correct. However, if the markets don't correct, I think what we could see is something like this. It depends on what's going to happen at earnings. But it doesn't matter because we already went up so massively. We doubled in price. So I think it's more likely going to be a downturn. And it could be very steep. That's not steep. Something like this. Anyway, it's not looking very bullish. Let's check the live chat. Tesla falling again. It's not really falling. It's like at 448. It's not falling. Well, that's not falling. Come on, we're like up what? 4.3%. You should be happy with that 4.3%. That's nice. That's more than the S&P. We're going up more than the S&P 500 right now. But yeah, guys, as I said, I'm going to have to go now. I'm going to start recording the video. So if you enjoyed this live stream, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Please, that would be amazing if you could do that. Just 2 seconds, smash that subscribe button. All right. On top of that, check out the social media, the Instagram, the TikTok, the Twitter. It's all in the description. And if you want to join the community, there is a Discord server link in the description as well. On top of that, if you want to support the channel and get counseling and buying, sell signals, and many more things, you can check out the Patreon and donate there. All right, this was Lucid Trading. I hope you have a very, very nice day. And I'll be live streaming again at market close.